Hi, welcome. Today we are learning about AWS, understanding AWS Global Infrastructure and core services foundations to best practices. Introduction to AWS. AWS stands for Amazon Web Services, is the world's leading cloud computing platform. Offers a wide range of on-demand cloud services such as compute, storage, networking, machine learning, security, and more. Allows individuals and organizations to build, deploy, and scale applications globally. Cloud computing shift from on-premises to cloud scalability, availability, reduce cost. So the benefits of cloud computing is we don't need any physical needs. I mean, in the way we we know the cloud storage. We don't want to store anything in the micro SDs or memory cards. Those are the thing in past. Anything we store is directly backed up in the cloud. In this way, cloud is very important and useful for us, and it is scalable and available from anywhere in the world. Another advantage of cloud computing is pay as you go model. It's elastic resources. So in some cloud computing or in some cloud services we pay as we use, like in the Google Photos or Prime Storage, anything we pay as we use. In the iCloud storage we use we get a free up to 10 GB, and then after that we have to pay $1 or something like that. In the same way, pay as you go pricing is implemented in AWS cloud computing. It's enable global access and faster deployments. AWS Global Infrastructure conceptual foundations. Regions, geographically isolated areas. Example, US East 1. Availability zones, also called as AZs, isolated data centers within a region. Edge locations for content delivery and low latency access, used by CloudFront. Local zones and wavelength zones for ultra low latency and edge computing. The latency here I mean is, let's say we download any photo or any document that we stored in the cloud or any drive. The the time we get to download or access the file is called latency, and the ultra low latency is one of the main advantage of AWS global infrastructure. Its goal is to reduce latency, improve fault tolerance, and meet compliance. This is a map of AWS regions, availability zones, and edge locations. As we can see, the red parts are the coming soon parts. We can expect anytime soon the Amazon Web Services availability regions is going to be implemented there. These are the latest availability zones, availability regions, and edge locations of the AWS services. Regions. AZs are isolated but connected via low latency links, enables high availability and fault tolerance. Edge locations and latency. AWS has 400 plus edge locations globally, used for services like CloudFront Route 53. Enhances performance by reducing low latency. Security and compliance in AWS. Shared responsibility model. AWS responsible for physical infrastructure, you manage data and configurations. Clarifications: SOC, ISO, HIPAA, PSA, DSS. Design goals of AWS infrastructure: high availability zones, redundant design across AZs, fault tolerance, automatic failover and recovery, low latency, data centers and near customers. Security, physical and network isolation. Core service categories: compute, EC2, Lambda, and ECS are the core service categories. In coming to storage, S3, EBS, and Glacier, and in database, RDS, DynamoDB, which is also same as SQL, Aurora, and in network, virtual private, also called VPC, Route 53, CloudFront, security, IAM, KMS, and guard duty. Cloud models on AWS, IaaS, infrastructure as a service. Examples: EC2, EC2, S3, PaaS, platform as a service, Lambda and Beanstalk, SaaS, software as a service, AWS Marketplace apps. Thank you. I'll meet you in the next part for real world cases and best practices of AWS. Thank you.